Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the 12th exam, subject of business study. I will give you some important question which helps you to prepare yourself. मैं इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी आपको दूंगा, जैसे कि आपको और थोड़ी सी हेल्प मिलेगी कि सर क्वेश्चन तो बता दिया आपने बट आंसर्स भी इसको बता दीजिए. तो मैं आंसर्स भी दूंगा आपको. यू कैन सी माई वीडियो एंड write down in your notebook and to revise many times. If there is any problem, you can comment me in my video and I will resolve your problem. Planning, stuffing, organizing, in that we also know that what are the directions you have to give to the employee. So direction is another important word heard in the business. So you have to know what is the direction and state its features. Yeah, what is the direction and state the main element of this. क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स इसमें यूज करते हैं डायरेक्शन देने के लिए, किसी को कोई चीज़ें बताने के लिए. Many of employees are working in your company or organization. You have to do something which helps them to do more and more effective work. What we need to do for them? We need to do motivate them, right? What we need to do? Motivate them. It means another question occur. Define motivation. What is motivation? And discuss its principle. किस किस बेसिस पे हम उनको मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमें क्या पैरामीटर्स होने चाहिए. When we are starting the organization, we need some planning with budget. We have to go in the business, we have to go to start something. We have to know that what are the budget, yeah, how much capital I have to invest in this organization. What do you mean by the budgetary control and explain its advantage. किसी चीज को बजट तो बना लिया, बजट हो सकता है हमने क्या पता एक ही बार पर अमाउंट लगा दिया, नहीं. तो हमें इस तरह नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें इसके लिए एक और नया टॉपिक हमारे इसके साथ जुड़ जाएगा बजट के साथ. दैट इज कंट्रोल. यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर सेल्फ. कई बार आप चीज़ें कर रहे होते हैं और उसमें आपको इसमें अगर आपने कंट्रोल नहीं रखा अपने ऊपर तो कई बार चीज़ें वो एंगर या फिर एंगरनेस या फिर आपका एटीट्यूड की वजह से वो गलत हो जाता है. तो यू नीड टू कंट्रोल योर एंगरनेस. You have to follow, you have to use your potential in a right direction or right time. So this is another important word, an important topic, that is control. What are the importance of the controlling? What are the various steps to involve in the controlling process? So you have to know. ये क्वेश्चन आपको क्या लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में आता है. So you have to know this question. So much important. You have to study it about, because you have done all the things but you have not done the controlling. So your step or process is incomplete. So from starting from the planning है ना, तो उसके बाद से एंड जो पॉइंट है, लास्ट वाला जो पॉइंट है आपका क्या है, कंट्रोलिंग. तो यू हैव टू नो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. So I have discussed with you all the question that is very important. So all these questions are compulsory. You have to do it. You have to learn all these questions. Thanks for listening me and watching my video. If you have any query, please comment in the box and write your queries. I will resolve your problem surely.